the seen to the unseen and back to the seen, a spiraling through the universe as Snakey spirit. And adhering to the ancient adage, what is above is below, or what is without is within, brings us to the most microscopic interiors of our own bodies, telomeres. The very most recent discovery of extended life depends upon the length of our telomeres. They are snaky-like extensions at the very end of our serpentine-shaped DNA. Telomeres are the guardians at the door of our vital life, our vitality. When the telomeres die, we decline. Now, telomeres are the most recent scientific discovery. 3 scientists received the Nobel Prize in 2009 for this discovery that offers new life to old, worn-out DNA sequences. You see this pattern of the Ouroboros? They're microscopically tiny little wormy-looking wiggly things attached to the ends of our serpentine-shaped DNA. Because they die off, they also emit a substance called by scientists telomerase. They can be taken orally. You can take a pill of telomerase to renew your telomeres. So as above, so below, death and rebirth, the most ancient is also the newest discovery giving life.